JBL Quantum 910 Wireless Gaming Headset Review. The JBL Quantum 910 Wireless Over-Ear Performance Gaming Headset is one of the latest offerings in JBL's lineup of premium gaming audio solutions. It aims to deliver a top-tier experience with advanced features like head tracking, active noise cancelling, ANC, Quantum SP80IL 360 audio, and low-latency wireless connectivity. This review provides an unbiased analysis of the headset, evaluating its performance, build quality, comfort, and features to help prospective buyers make an informed decision. The Quantum 910 is sleek and modern, with a predominantly black finish accented by subtle RGB lighting on the ear cups. The design strikes a balance between gaming aesthetics and understated sophistication, making it suitable for both gamers and casual users. The headset feels robust, constructed with high-quality materials that provide durability. The adjustable headband is reinforced with metal, ensuring it can withstand regular use. The ear cups are well padded with memory foam and covered in soft leatherette, providing both comfort and noise isolation. However, the leatherette material might retain heat during extended gaming sessions, which could cause discomfort for some users. The physical controls are conveniently placed on the ear cups, allowing easy access to volume adjustments, ANC activation, and other features. The retractable boom microphone is a thoughtful addition, and it can be tucked away seamlessly when not in use. Comfort is a critical factor for gaming headsets, especially for long gaming sessions. The Quantum 910 excels in this area, with a lightweight design and plush padding on both the ear cups and the headband. The clamping force is snug but not overly tight, striking a good balance between stability and comfort. That said, individuals with larger heads or ears may experience some pressure over time. While the ear cups are generously sized, they might not accommodate every ear shape perfectly. The standout feature of the Quantum 910 is its audio performance tailored specifically for gaming. The Quantum SP80IL 360 technology provides an immersive surround sound experience, enhancing positional audio accuracy. This is especially beneficial for competitive gaming, where identifying the direction of footsteps or gunfire can make a significant difference. The addition of head tracking further elevates the experience, as the audio dynamically adjusts based on the player's movements, creating a more realistic soundscape. The low-latency wireless system ensures that there is no noticeable delay between in-game actions and the corresponding audio, which is crucial for fast-paced games. The connection remains stable even in environments with potential interference. While the Quantum 910 shines in gaming scenarios, its performance for music and media playback is also commendable. The headset delivers a balanced sound profile with clear highs, rich mids, and deep bass. However, audiophiles seeking a flat, studio-grade sound signature might find the bass slightly emphasized, as is common with many gaming headsets. The ANC on the Quantum 910 is effective at minimizing ambient noise, such as fan hums or chatter. It's not on par with industry-leading ANC headphones like the Sony WH-1000 XM5, but it performs well enough for most gaming and casual environments. For those who frequently game in noisy surroundings, the ANC feature adds significant value. The retractable boom microphone on the Quantum 910 is equipped with echo-cancelling technology, ensuring clear communication during multiplayer sessions. The microphone captures voice accurately, with minimal distortion, and does a good job of isolating speech from background noise. However, it's not detachable, which might be a drawback for users who prefer using an external microphone or want a cleaner aesthetic for non-gaming use. The Quantum 910 offers versatile connectivity options, including low-latency wireless, 2.4 GHz. This is the primary mode for gaming, providing a stable connection with minimal delay. Bluetooth, for connecting to mobile devices and other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Wired connection, a 3.5mm audio jack and USB-C cable are included for users who prefer a wired setup or need to conserve battery life. The multi-platform compatibility is a major advantage, as the headset works seamlessly with PCs, gaming consoles, PS5, Xbox Series X, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Switching between devices is straightforward, though some users might find the need to manually pair devices occasionally inconvenient. The Quantum 910 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 39 hours without ANC or RGB lighting. With both features activated, the battery life reduces but still remains competitive. The USB-C fast charging capability allows users to quickly top up the battery, with a 15-minute charge providing several hours of playback. The JBL Quantum ENGINE software offers extensive customization options, enabling users to fine-tune the audio settings, RGB lighting, and microphone levels. The interface is user-friendly, and the software is compatible with both Windows and macOS. However, console users won't benefit from the same level of customization, as the software isn't supported on gaming consoles. Audio. Quantum SP-AT-IAL360 and head tracking provide a next-level gaming experience. Comfortable design, lightweight with brush padding for extended wear. Versatile connectivity, compatible with multiple platforms and devices. Effective ANC, reduces ambient noise significantly. Good battery life, long-lasting performance with fast charging. Customizable settings, extensive options via the Quantum ENGINE software. Microphone design, non-detachable microphone may not suit all users. Heat retention, leatherette ear cups can get warm during prolonged use. Limited console customization, software is not available for consoles. The premium features come with a high price tag, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. The JBL Quantum 910 wireless over-ear performance gaming headset is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a premium audio experience. Its cutting-edge features, such as Quantum SP-AT-IAL360, head tracking, and effective ANC, set it apart from many competitors. The versatile connectivity options and long battery life further enhance its appeal. While the price may be a barrier for some, the Quantum 910 justifies its cost with its high-quality build, immersive audio, and comfort. It's an ideal headset for serious gamers who prioritize audio precision and innovation. However, casual users or those on a tight budget might find more value in less expensive alternatives with fewer features. Overall, the JBL Quantum 910 delivers on its promises and stands out as a top contender in the gaming headset market.